Enterprise, we got a Buick SUV here, another Mitsubishi, got a Jeep Wrangler, got a Dodge Durango with a Hemi, sunroof, Mercedes GLC 300s, got a Toyota, Mazda, and another Ford Explorer, Chrysler 300 here, yes, got a BMW, maybe like an X3, and just down here, got one of these Cadillac XT5s. And over here, we got the Enterprise upgrades. So we got a Chrysler 300, got a Volvo. Oh, it's a Volvo. Looks like it might be an XC90. 3 Series BMW, got one of those Mercedes GLCs. Another 3 Series BMW, maybe an X3, got a Volvo S90. I'll have to take a look at that. And we got a, sorry, I thought they were calling for me, they're calling for somebody else. We got a 3 Series BMW, another of those Cadillacs there. Before I forget, let's just take a quick peek at this, if this Volvo is open. So this is probably loaded. The license plates are making me think this is newer. T6, so it's an S90. And the window's down, so we should be able to have a look inside here. It's got the big sunroof. And it's got the B&O sound system, which I think is like a $3,000 or $4,000 option. Oh, it's got some miles on it. Okay, 37,000. Yeah, this would be really nice seats there. Privacy screens in the back. Oh yeah, check out the legroom. This is almost like a limo. This would be a nice ride. Okay, let's just continue on over here with Enterprise a little bit more. Trying to keep track of which aisles I've gone through. We're gonna have the Kia Soul here, Ford Escape, and the 3 Series BMW, A220 Mercedes, 3 Series Mercedes, a couple more A220 Mercedes. Got another BMW SUV, Buick, Dodge Ram, Mitsubishi. We got another Gladiator. Oh wow, lots of BMWs. VW Jetta, Toyota, Volvo. Oh, this is one of the plug-in. I don't know if I've seen one of these in Toronto. So that's the plug-in hybrid Volvo. I think, at least according to the license plates. I don't see the plug though. Oh, there it is. Yeah, it's over here. So this will be like an S60. Actually, these are great cars. Really responsive with the, and it's Polestar engineered too. So these are over 400 horsepower when the electric engine kicks in. Let's have a quick look at the interior. Harman Kardon audio. And you can see the seats there. Might as well wait for the mileage to come up here. 27,000. And we got a Ford Edge, Mitsubishi, Chrysler minivan, Hyundai Kona, Corolla, sunroof, and we got a Ford Edge and another Buick SUV. And I just want to add this in. This is actually parked down at the end, so it looks like some of the Chargers they're getting are in a different trim here. So it's still the GT, but it's got different wheels on it. Okay, and continuing on with Enterprise here. Got a Mazda CX-5, we got another Kia, VW Jetta, Jeep Grand Cherokee, Buick SUV, got a Dodge Durango with a Hemi in it, 2 of them here. Oh, this one's just the V6. And we got a Hyundai, and a couple smaller cars down here. So I think that's going to wrap it up for Enterprise. All right, thanks everyone for watching. Go ahead and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already subscribed. If you want to see more of these videos, go ahead and click the like button. I'll see you guys in the next one.